Now the format is gone, the dollars format is gone. Now I want to increase it to change it to dollar United States. Okay. Now again it's back. Now if I go here, if I now include the size of the price, but size doesn't define, only size doesn't define much, right? So if I do an average size, okay, now you'll see the size of the bubble has increased, and in certain area it has reduced as well. So this particular bubble size has increased. So here the price is, average price is 3000. Okay. Whereas if you take somewhere here, price is 250. Okay. Here the price is 140. Okay. Now if you want to create legend of it as well, okay, so this legend will not work here. So here you can put the price. So the price kind of, is helping you to understand, okay, so these are areas where the prices are high, okay, average prices are high, and these are the areas where the prices are more. So if I put the locality, okay, host location. So host location is something which I can put in the tooltip. So if I put the host location, so I will get the first host location is ES, but ES is not very explanatory, right? So let's go back to the data set and we'll try to understand that what all would give me a kind of a good idea about the locality, which particular field. So let's all sideways. Okay, so the street will give me a kind of an idea about which locality this is about. So if I use street into the tooltip and not this one, then so here the prices are high. Okay, but street seems to be a not accurate representation of it. So let's use the neighborhood. We can use the neighborhood one. Okay, so we can use this field, the neighborhood is something which should help us to understand that which neighborhood are we talking about. Rather than first street, we will use neighborhood first. Okay,